Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's creation is an elegantly beautiful Glam vanity mirror, constructed with mostly Dollar Tree items. To create this vanity mirror, you will need one 8x10 mirror, one 8x10 acrylic picture frame, 12mm pearls, diamond gems, flower wood shapes, floral mesh, diamond wrap, silver wired LED lights, E6000 and a glue gun. Now let's begin this project. The first thing we will do is remove the contents from this picture frame and its protective plastic. We will also remove the mirror from its frame. I am now checking placement of the mirror on the frame, and I will glue them together using E6000, which is a strong adhesive for a permanent hold. This mirror fits perfectly over this picture frame. Just make certain that it's all even. I'm now adding diamond wrap around the borders of the mirror. I will have 2 rows going lengthwise and 3 rows for the width. All overhang will be glued to the back of the frame, covering all edges. I spray painted the wood flower shapes ahead of time using Restoleum Metallic silver. I will now glue all of the flowers around the frame, creating a pattern. I'm using E6000 for a permanent hold, but it takes about 24 hours for it to cure. Therefore, I'm using the hot glue for an immediate hold while I do this project. And you will see that I will glue in between each flower to make sure they are secure. It's already coming together so beautifully. What I've done here is placed all of my pearl embellishments on the flowers. And now I'll demonstrate how I made my pearl embellishment. I did this in my last video as well. I glue the pearl on one of the flowers from the floral mesh, and then I glue a gemstone on top of the pearl to cover the hole. And then finally, I place the embellishment in the center of every flower. I call this my professional finish. I like to have a nice clean finish on the back of my projects. And now I'm measuring it to fit the back of the mirror. I will cut it out and glue it down. I would suggest that before embellishments are placed on the front of the mirror, to do this part first, because I did have to re-glue some of the embellishments. You will only need hot glue to secure this backing. For added embellishment, I'm adding individual flowers from the floral mesh to each corner of the mirror. I also added the larger gemstones on top of floral mesh flowers. I'm cleaning off my mirror now with window cleaner, but I forgot about something very important for my project, the LED lights. I will add them now for a beautiful finishing touch. Hasn't this vanity mirror turned out absolutely beautiful? I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And to now secure the final portions of the LED lights, I'm hot gluing it to the back of the mirror. And I will also hot glue the battery pack to the back of the mirror. I am going to absolutely enjoy this vanity mirror. This mirror would make a great gift. It's beautiful, it's elegant, and if you decide to recreate it, let me know. Please leave it in the comments below. This is my completed outcome of this beautiful vanity mirror. I absolutely love it, and I hope you do too. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderfully blessed day.